Since the dawn of time, man has had an insatiable desire to conquer nature. At Millet, we've been pioneers of innovation for 100 years, working hand in hand with history's greatest alpine climbers, overseeing the birth of the backpack and innovating in parallel.
Coupez! Ah, mais on va pas y passer la journée, là!
Des amateurs pareils, t'es un empoté, t'aurais pu me tuer.
Ah! Bonjour! My apologies for this mess. Let's start over, shall we? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Michel. I'm an old friend of the Millet family and I work here at the Millet offices. I'm kind of a big deal around here. From grocery bags to backpacks with cutting-edge innovations for the greatest mountaineers of climbing history, Millet has made a habit of gearing up pros and amateurs alike. And breaking records while we're at it. You seem like a smart young lad. Go ask the workshop if the new Everest prototype will be ready. If my calculations are correct, Maurice Herzog and Louis Lachenal should be reaching the summit right about now. Michel, were they wearing the Annapurna 50s like we tested? Excellent! At Millet offices, it's always go, 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 isn't it? Oh, merci, Huguette. Louis and Maurice just hit the Annapurna first 8,000 meters. Mission accomplie. Oh, where is the champagne? Oh. Sacré Louis. I need to tell the guys about this.
Le meilleur, c'est René de Maison.
Bonatti, les meilleurs.
René de Maison.
Bonatti, je te
De
dis.
Maison.
Bonatti.
Des Maisons.
Take a look at this. Professional mountain guides in their natural habitat. Let's see what they're saying.
Évidemment, le meilleur alpiniste, c'est René de Maison. Il n'y a personne qui lui arrive à la cheville.
Vive la France.
Non, 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 les meilleurs, c'est Bonatti, porca miseria. René de Maison, il est rien à côté de Bonatti.
Ma che, signor, please. At the end of the day, we're all here for the same reason. The love of mountaineering. There are no winners or losers. Actually, they were all wearing Millet backpacks for the summits, so technically, Millet wins.
Un homme est parti seul depuis 3 jours pour tenter de résoudre un des derniers problèmes de l'alpinisme actuel. Sacrifiant sa nourriture au matériel, il est parti avec seulement 3 jours.
They were the real
Sans
pioneers.
nouvelles de lui, nous essayons
The rest of us are just following in their footsteps, no?
Quant au problème, le voici. Une immense paroi
Come with
verticale
me.
et surplombante de 800 mètres de haut. Partageant notre inquiétude, un hélicoptère participe aux recherches. Mais sans illusion, il ne serait
Our
d'aucun
products are tested under extreme conditions at altitudes of up to 8,000 meters. Through wind, rain, and snow. And they're tested on real climbers like legend Reinhold Messner, the first alpinist to climb Everest without oxygen. And they're tested on you, and they're tested on me. Then it was the 70s. It was all about free love and living and breathing with nature. So Millet launched their first climbing range, the Patrick Etlinger All Free Collection. Back then, climbing was a lifestyle choice for free-spirited hippies. Let's go, guys. Talking about breathing with nature. Don't worry, guys, I'm fine. Thanks God for all this recycled rope, huh? Over the years, Millet has recycled more than 1.5 million meters of rope. Because out there, guys, your rope is your lifeline. After a couple decades in business, our office grew and we added a few more people to the team. Oh my days. This jacket used to be the back in the days. We've won awards for our firsts: the nylon bag, the Everest expedition boots, the Gore-Tex alpine jacket, and... oh yes, the Matrix shoes. some were less successful than others. Michel, j'écoute. J'arrive. L'appel de la montagne. Wow! I haven't seen this one before. Je l'adore. C'est du beau travail, les amis. Merci, Michel. En route. Follow me. A 100 years of Millet. Pas mal, non? In the end, what really matters is what's out there. Shall we?